In the first session, we have a lower body focus, deep core activation, and also some footwork. So meet me in a standing position on the feet. Bring them close together. If that's not comfy for you because of the bones here at the inside of your feet, you can also open the feet hip width apart, totally fine. We will start to breathe, to connect with our body. I invite you to place the hands onto the rib cage here from the side. And then if you feel comfy with that, close your eyes for a few seconds. Just start with some conscious breaths here into the nose and out through the mouth. Take a deep breath in, grow an inch taller. And with your exhale, feel the feet on the ground. Relax your toes. Breathe in. And breathe out, soften your shoulders. Breathe a little bit slower to create more depth in your breath. And allow your rib cage to expand as you inhale. And awaken your powerhouse as you exhale. So you breathe into your hands and into the upper back. And as you exhale, pull the navel in towards the spine, close the rib arches. Breathe into the upper back, feel the shoulder blades gliding apart. And as you exhale, reduce the distance between belly and back. Try to hold the abdominal tension as you inhale. Exhale, activate your pelvic floor, the deepest abdominal and back muscles. Create that soft corset feeling that you can hold throughout the movement. Breathe in and breathe out through pursed lips. Imagine blowing out a birthday candle. When you've found your breath, open up your eyes and relax your arms by your side. So from here, we start to move the shoulders. So lift the shoulders up, inhale, and exhale, allow them to sink down. Lift the shoulders forwards and up. Exhale backwards and down. Also allow the ribs to move. So we also move the rib cage a bit. And then allow the movement to become taller. So fingers on the shoulders and the elbows are moving. Forwards and up. And backwards and down. Follow your breath. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. One more like that. Extend the arms and go for full arm circles. Consciously open the ribs as you inhale. And close them. Pull the lowest rib towards the pelvis with the help of your powerhouse. One more of that. Keep the knees softly bent. So don't hyperextend the knees. And with the next inhale, keep the arms lifted. Shoulders away from your ears. Close the rib arches again. And then allow the right arm to drop forwards. And with the inhale, bring the arm back and up. Add a little rotation. Switch to the other side. Left arm forwards and down, rotating in your thoracic spine, coming back. Keep going in your own breathing rhythm. Exhale down, inhale, rise up. So keeping the pelvis stable and calm, both hip joints, both pelvic bones are facing forwards. So you're just rotating your thoracic spine. Visit each side one more time. Last one, exhale, drop. Inhale, lift. And then bring the hands into the side of your body and let's focus on the feet. So from here, imagine you want to hug a pencil with the toes or bringing the pencil between toes and balls of your feet. So really try to stay active in your toe flexor muscles. From here, when you got that, whoop, bend and stretch the knees. Inhale to bend and and exhale to stretch. Maybe it's just a teeny tiny bend. We want to stay upright, so sit bones heavy towards the floor, lengthening the lower spine. And stay upright with your shoulders above the hips. So imagine leaning against a wall and the shoulder blades are gliding down against the wall and up against the wall. So they're constantly touching the wall behind you. Stay active in your feet, in those toes. Last two. Inhale, bend. Exhale, stretch. One more. And then stay extended in your knees and bring the toes up and spread the toes. So we're working for the toe extender muscles. And there we go again. Keep the toes lifted. Bend the knees, inhale, and exhale, stretch. Also, really spreading the toes will help you in a second to support the broad arch of your feet. That is really helpful for your balance. So we're building up a strong foundation, strong feet. Last one. And then drop the toes long and softly spread it. And from here we turn out into Pilates V position. So toes are facing into the corners of the room. Keep the heels connected. From here, start to lift your heels. Inhale to reach up towards the ceiling and exhale to lower. Keep the heels together now. Imagine some money between your heels and you don't want to lose it. Keep soft pressure to keep the inner thighs and the pelvic floor and the deepest abdominal muscles active. All right, let's go for two more. The crown of the head is lifting you up. Inhale. Exhale down. Keep the knees extended, lifting the kneecaps up towards the pelvis. And then keep the heels lifted and bend the knees. Exhale. Inhale, straighten again. Exhale, bend the knees. Ooh, now it's about balance. Try to reduce the distance between pelvic line and rib. So powerhouse really engaged. Looking forwards to a point. Keep your gaze there. This will be really helpful for your balance as well. Let's go for two more. Keep the heels connected with a soft pressure against each other. And then keep a soft bend in the knees, hold it down, and we're just working with the ankles. So drop, lower the heels a little bit, but keep them in the air. And inhale, lift and push the heels forwards. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Ooh. Keep the shoulders relaxed. A little bit of ankle mobility. Last two. Also the quads start to fire up. Keep the heels lifted and keep pushing them forwards now. And just pulse with the knees to the back. Keep breathing deeply and calmly. So back, back. Find that external rotation here of your thighs in your hips. Glute starts to work here. Heels together, lifting the heels up. Last two breaths. One more. And then keep pushing the knees to the back. Hold this position. And from here, drop your arms and we're gonna go for the shoulder combination. So we roll the shoulders first. Inhale, forwards and up. Exhale, back and down. Fingers onto your shoulders, circle with the elbows. Lengthen your arms and circle with the arms. Shoulders again. Pull the shoulder blades into the low back. Exhale, then the elbows. Then the full arm circle. Let's go for two more of these. Woo. Fingers onto the shoulders, great job. When you fall out of the position, don't worry. You were brave and you awaken the deep core muscles. So with the next round, keep the arms lifted. And from here, we drop the right arm forwards and down. Get the twist Whoop, and back to center. Now when we move the head with the rotation, so we try to look to the side, it's getting a bit harder to keep the balance. So we're awakening the deep stabilizer muscles around the feet, around the knees, the hips, the spine. Last round. And when you're back in your center, deepen the bend in the knees and start to pulse. Think about your sit bones. They're pulling down, lengthening the lumbar spine, squeezing the heels, shoulders soft and broad, lifting the breastbone a bit. Be proud in your posture. Last 2 breaths. Ooh, last one. And with the exhale, you stop the pulse, lifting up again and dropping the heels onto the ground. Wow, shake it out. And now enjoy the warmth in your feet, in your legs. And maybe you can feel a better stance now with the big ball, the tiny ball, and the heel on the ground, giving you stability and a nice upright posture.